What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be testing Amazon's new Galaxy glue and see how it holds up when you make slime. Before we get started, I do want to let you all know that I am currently having a huge sale, buy one get one half off in my slime shop. Just head on over to www.unicornslime.com. There is 2 eyes in unicorn to go ahead and snatch some really cool slimes like you see on the screen here. Alrighty, y'all, I am super excited to show you all these glues. I was like really shook when I found out that these were a thing. When I saw them on Amazon, I was like, what the heck? Like, we've never seen a glue like this before. So let me just give y'all some information on this here. So it is called the Amazon Galaxy glue. This is not sponsored, by the way. All opinions are my own. I bought these with my own money. I got a 4-pack here of 5-ounce glue. So each of the glues are 5 ounces, and it cost me $15.05. And of course, it's available from Amazon Prime because it is an Amazon product, and it actually specifically says like it's glue for making slime. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can use it like normal glue, but it does say that it is for slime. As you can see right here, it makes great slime. So let's test that out. The pigment in the glues are gorgeous. I love everything about the colors, and I love how they have different galaxy color options, like that orange one, and then also this like purpley and green one. It's just so beautiful. The only downfall I would say with this product is that it's super hard to get out of the packaging, out of the bottle, because it's so thick. Like, we stand a thicky queen in this house. Trust me, on this channel we stand a thicky queen. But this was just like exceptionally thick. Like, I really had to put in some arm muscle. It was definitely arm day for me when I was trying to squeeze this out. And this one here is the orange color option for the Galaxy glue. I believe that is the only other variation, if I'm not mistaken. No, actually I'm wrong. There's a blue and green one as well. I'm looking at it right now on Amazon. I love them. They're so beautiful. This one here reminds me of like solar flares or like something that has to do with the sun. It's just really pretty and beautiful. I feel like you can really tell with this shot here just how thick this glue is. I mean, look at that. It's not going anywhere. Normally, if you were to pour like 2 glues together, they would kind of just like melt together and kind of become one, like have a flat surface. But this honey, she was like, nope, I'm staying me. You ain't gonna change me. And I was like, you do you, boo. So we threw in some activator to try to activate this slime. I used a super weak activator because I knew that this slime was already going to be super thick because of how thick the glue was. So I wanted to add a little bit more water into it to kind of make it a little bit thinner. Normally I wouldn't do that, but for this particular glue I really wanted to, and I'm glad that I did, because as you can see here with the weak activator, I didn't even use a full teaspoon of borax in my activator. It was like super clumpy and it came together like really fast almost, but clumpy. It didn't like make a slime right away. It made like a ball. Now I wanted to leave in the mixing part here for y'all to watch because it's really crazy like how the colors actually combine. First of all, I was really sad about that. I was hoping that the colors would stay separate, but unfortunately they didn't, and just how clumpy it got. It was insane. The slime here is made now, obviously, but for some reason it was just super sticky still, and I really activated it properly. It's like perfectly activated right now. It's just so thick that it looks over activated, but no, it's perfectly activated because it's still a little stretchy. However, it's very, very tacky. Like, it literally will stick to your skin no matter what. My hands were super clean. I also put a little bit of borax activator on my hands as well, just to make sure that it didn't stick, and it was still sticking on me. So I don't know what this glue has in it, but it does make a tackier slime. So definitely just be aware of that if you're going to purchase this glue to make slime. I think my thoughts when I bought the glue was I was hoping that the colors would stay separate. I was kind of thinking that they found a way to do that because nobody in the slime community has thought of a way to do that yet or came up with a way to do that yet. So I was like really excited when I saw this product, but it did not stay separate. The colors did mix to like this silvery kind of purpley color, and I think it's beautiful, but it's definitely not what I was expecting. It still is very nice, and even after a day the slime is still sticky, still kind of tacky, even though it's perfectly activated, which is a little weird, and it's still very metallic. So I will give it that. If you are looking for like a silver metallic, then this is perfect. Once you mix everything up, it's perfect. But yeah, it's definitely not what I was expecting for sure. Before you leave, I have another announcement. I did start a podcast recently with some of my best friends. We are currently, at the time of this video, on our 3rd episode, so make sure you go ahead and check us out. We are on all streaming platforms. Here's a little preview. The song that got the number 2 spot this week, it was by the Pussycat Dolls. They are back 10 years later.
They are back in business.
How do we feel about that? So they just released their song. Before you answer, sorry I'm interrupting, but they just released their song. It's called React. We are having a blast with this podcast, and I haven't really announced it here on YouTube yet, so this is the official announcement, I guess you could say, and I'm sorry that I couldn't be on camera to announce it. Things have just been crazy this week. My godson was just born, so it's been a lot, but yeah, definitely keep up with us on the podcast. We do it every single week. That's why it's called the Weekly Group Chat. We are available on all streaming platforms like iTunes, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Pandora, iHeartRadio, everywhere. So go check us out. Alrighty, y'all. Well, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section, let me know what you thought about this Galaxy glue. Did you like it or did you not like it? Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you liked the video and give this video a thumbs up. And that is pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!